Okay, shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Oh, use video. That's fine. Okay, Rihansh is not here, right? Oh my gosh. He's going to come in. Let's see. I miss seeing you on Friday, right, Akshat? Were you there on Friday?
Yeah.
Last Friday?
Yes. Did I have to join the class?
No, you're completely perfect. I just wanted to know, last Friday, were you there in the class or not? I wonder.
No.
I don't write off my head, remember. Okay. I did the homework, but forgot to scan it. Yes, please, that sure. Always, I would love to know whether you did your homework or not. How was the homework? Did you have any questions?
So easy.
So easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I had like 2 questions, but that's really it.
Actually, it, but did you solve those two that you didn't understand?
I tried to, but all of my answers weren't any of the ones that were in the questions.
Sorry, I did not get. What was that?
Like all of my answers weren't one of the options.
Cherry, okay. So what did you do on those questions?
I just gave it a question and tried to find, and then I tried to find it out and see what I did wrong.
Did you get it?
One of them.
Please, let's discuss then, right?
I'll tell you which one I didn't get.
Meaning, don't wait for me to ask. You can ask, right? This is your class. Okay, wait, let me go ahead and open. Because I wanted to, that was in ratio rates, right? G6 advanced, G6 CB, G5 Beast Tuesday, okay. Yeah, it was a review on ratio rates, right? See, my problem was, I'll tell you what is my problem. I saw through your homework as well, okay? I was a little off. Okay. That you said you'll do after the class. Varnika is not going to be in Kiara. I don't know what happened. Neil, did you do the homework?
Yeah, I forgot to post it on there because I had some classes.
But did you do the homework?
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay, David? For you, what was the comment I have? See, David, I really want to see the work. You have not shown much of work. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Whatever you think it is, don't have a separate paper to work on and all. Okay, I would like to see how you thought about it.
Okay.
And looks like Tanishka is not in this class at all, right? Tanishka, are you in this class?
Yeah, I was here for Tuesday's class.
No. In the Google class, I really like it. Saket, I really like the work you have shown. That tells me how you understood the problem. But my only problem is, okay, you split it and wrote it out. Okay, I see. Okay, did you have any questions?
Yeah, I had a question on question number 18.
Question number 18. We'll go through that. Sometimes there are times in the key, sometimes it's incomplete. Okay. You have,
Yeah.
uh-huh.
Can I have the code for the Google Classroom?
See, I told you.
Thing.
Okay. Let me, Arhan will not come, I know. Okay, Kiara, okay. Now, you need the code for the classroom. 1 minute, 1 minute, Akshat, I'm coming to what you're asking. One by one. Remember. What happened? Did it start? 1 second. That's the Tuesday classroom code, guys, okay? Now, question number 18, I have to share with you, right? And question number 18. Let me share my screen. Saket, did you have any questions, Saket?
No, but the question one, I didn't understand it, but then I reread it and I got it.
Oh, that's nice. Just times 2, right?
Yeah, and then divide two. And then I was like, wait, none of these answers are correct. Oh, but then it's the same thing. Yeah, if you simplify.
Good,
Yeah.
good. Good to know. Can I move on? Okay, 18. Okay, now Alan's water bill contains the following information. Oh yeah, see, this is a little tricky. How many of you did this? Nevan, did you do this?
I did it.
Okay, so can you explain to us?
Oh wait, no, I did 17. 18 was a question I had. I don't get it.
See, Neil, I need to see that, right? How am I to see that if you don't submit? Now Akshat brought it up. I asked you so many times, right? Okay, Alan's water bill contains the following information. So, you know why I am at the back of you for this one? Because, see, if you're writing it right, writing an exam, I want you to write it fully prepared. Oh my God, 1 minute, guys. Something has gone wrong. 1 second, guys. I want to mute you all as well. I'm sorry, but I will mute you all. Okay. 1 second, guys. It's gone. Sorry about it. Okay.
Can I try solving it on the board?
Why not? I would love to, Saket. Go ahead.
So you do 1600.
Mm-hmm. You want me to write? I will write.
So you
Use
do
a text box, Amma. Use a text box. Text box is easier for you to show me, right?
find it.
You didn't find it? Okay. Text box is this, like this. You can write it in here like this. See?
1600 multiplied by 74.8, and I got.
Okay, let me write it down. So he used 1,600 cubic feet of water. And then?
So then you solve it. I got 1 second.
But did you see 1 cubic foot? First, let's write 1 cubic foot. This is cubic feet, and this is the gallon. First, I need that conversion, right? So 1 cubic foot equal to 7.48 gallons. So 1,600 is what I need to find out. Basically, 1 was multiplied by 1,600. So 7.48 should be multiplied by 1,600. So that many gallons.
And that is 11,800.
I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
That is 11,840.
Thank you.
So if 600 cubic feet is 34.80, then that means 11,840 is also 34.80. Then like you divide those two, you divide 11,840 divide by 34.80, and
1 second. So we need to understand cost per gallon, right? So for 1 gallon, I need to know. Again, you can either make a proportion or you can see what has happened. You divided by 11840. So this side as well, you will divide by 11840. Yeah.
I got A. Like I got the closest I got was to A.
The closest was
A.
A. Akshat, what was your question here?
So I think I got it correct all the way up to when I got until 11,840.
Mm-hmm.
And the division I got it wrong.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. How about Tanishka? Did you get that, ma?
I just didn't understand how you got how you got the answer as A.
Decimal from the fraction. Did you ask this, ma, Tanishka? Anishka, you're muted and you're talking.
Is it because it was the closest?
What, ma? No. How will you convert the fraction to a decimal?
Divided.
Yeah. So you don't know how to get that, you're saying?
No, I just realized it was the closest. A was the closest to the answer.
A was the closest, but it's a long way. It's not that easy, 100%, okay? Because I will go ahead. If I were you, right, I would go ahead and simplify whatever is in there. 348 is in there. Divide by 118, 400, right? I'll take all my time. I'll put in all my efforts. It's a big one. Big one in the sense, first you need to simplify this, right? 1, 7, 4, 5, 9, 2, 0. 2 8s are 16. It's long, honestly, I tell you. But I did forget one more zero. So you have 5, 2, 9, 6, 0. So this goes a long way. So you'll have to do this and try checking at least 2 decimal. Literally, I'll put it out like this: 87 divided by 2960 or 00. I'll have to check what it is. So based on that, I'll go ahead 0.0. Yeah, whatever. So I will do this long division and try verifying. Does that sound like a plan? It is hard. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, and you should not use a calculator. You got it? Okay. Any other questions?
There's not only one.
Okay. Can I move on? I really want to know where we are on equation solving, inequalities, and geometry. That's what I want to do today. Okay. And statistics I want to do, but statistics we can wait till next week is what I thought. Let's see. I solved this set of linear equations with the other. What is going on with my machine? 1 second, guys. G6. Let me see what else I covered for G6 advanced, which I didn't do for you guys. Yeah, solving linear equations we did. Yana, are you comfortable solving linear equations, ma?
What are linear equations?
Linear equations means with the variable. Okay, let me see. Let me see how you guys do.
I think I've heard it, but I don't remember solving it though.
I see. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, let's review this as well once. I know you guys may know, but I don't know. How about this? This one we have already done enough, but anyway, let's see whether I can do it. There, stop share. Okay. How about this? Can I get the answer for this one from each of you? I'm just making sure we are good with percentages. Then I'll give you 1 or 2 ratio rates problem if needed. Otherwise, I'll jump into what did I tell you? Equations, inequalities.
Wait, is it asking for like the percentage of what they're giving, or like
Yeah.
how the actual dollar amount?
That why don't you read the question? I'll patiently wait. Can you read the question? If you still need help, definitely raise up. I'll help you.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, Saket, Yana. Good job, guys. See, percentages you seem to all be good. Akshat, good. That can I ask you a question? Which amount is the closest to the amount of tip?
Oh, it's asking the.
But I asked you to read it.
I didn't. I don't know. I didn't understand. Yeah.
But it is just in English. It's okay. Can you please redo?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you got it now, see?
Mm-hmm.
What is the answer?
Got
Tanish,
this, but I had trouble like putting it in the model.
Putting it in the model. You don't have to put it in the model, but what did you understand? What have they asked?
20% of 30.
Correct. So did you do the part by whole will be equal to x by 100?
No,
You have to follow the process. If you are not getting in your way, I will ask you to come to my way. You see what I mean? If you can't put it in your way, I'm okay as long as you do it your way. But if you don't, then you will have to come my way. So tell me, you have to calculate 20% of 30. So what will be substituted in what?
Can I try explaining?
Yes, Saket, go ahead.
So basically, instead of doing x by 100 equals part by whole,
Mm-hmm.
you know that 20% like it goes to 105 times.
Mm-hmm.
So that means you do 30 divided by 5 and you get 6.
Whatever number follows the off keyword is always the whole.
Yeah, and then you just divide by that by 6.
Mm-hmm. So
And
this is
you divide it by 5 and you get 6.
1 by 5 equal to part by 30. So what do? Multiply by 30 on both sides, you get 6 equal to P.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, this was an easy one. Let's see, guys. I'm not happy with this. Of an easy. This is a good one. I know this is decimals, but I want you to do, guys. I'll not give you the answer choices. I will be mean to you today. Go ahead. Carolyn saved $3.84 on a discounted item that was marked down. We did discuss this.
Wait, so my question is $3.84. I mean $3.84 is equal to 15%.
You let the cat out of the bag. You told the answer to everybody. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Go ahead. That's okay. Go ahead. So basically the word, keyword save. See, every word is important. Carolyn saved 3.84. That means it was a 15% markdown item. When you look at it, right, she is saving this much. Did they come? 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Go ahead. Did you get it? Each of you have an answer. Let's see which is right. Okay. David. Okay. David, I didn't get an answer from you for the last one, right? Did you?
I sense it. All
Oh,
right.
yes, yes. I'm sorry. Yes. Good job. So I see what you are all up to. I see. Okay.
Is my answer correct?
Akshat and Dutt, you got it. I'll wait. Charan, think about it. 15 guys, I really want you all to do a sanity check here. 15% is 3.84 means, see how many 15s are there in 100? Another 15, another 15, another 15. This just a sanity check. 45, 60, then again This much you should include. So this is $4, $4, $4, $4, $4. The price of the item will at least be $23 or $24, correct? This many 15 percentages only will combine and get you the 100% of the item, right? What you should do, Saket, did you get the answer?
I'm still solving.
Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Akshat wants to explain. After that, I'll explain once more. Let's see. This is a difficult, it's slightly tricky question. David, can I give you a clue? They are saying $3.84 is 15% of something. Is 15% of the original price. That's something you need to find out. So literally, please go ahead with x by 100 equal to part by whole. That's it. Whatever follows the off keyword is the whole. That's why I'm saying you just memorize this. This is not hard. You're not even memorizing. You're just saying half is equal to 50 by 100. You're trying to put equivalent fractions here. Is that right, Mayana? Looks like, okay, yeah, Akshat, you can explain. Go ahead.
Okay, so since it's 15% of something,
Mm.
it's 15 by 100,
Let's do it together. 15 by 100.
and that's equal to 3.84 by whole.
Of, you don't know that, right? So you write it as W. Okay, now?
Should I do it the x by 100 way, like part by whole equal to x by 100, or should I do it the way that I did it?
Let's do it this way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
After that,
Because the schools all use this only.
okay. So
See,
basically,
however you do, it's all math, okay? But just to make it clear and not to confuse people, it's easier.
okay, so I did 3.84 times 100.
So let me multiply by 100. I just need to take away the fractions, right? So this becomes 384 by W equal to 15. Multiply by W on both sides. This W will go. So 15W equal to 384. Divide by 15, divide by 15. What happens? W will be equal to, guys,
25.
okay, then you have an 84, right? How many 84 means 15 times? I don't want that. 15 times 5, right? So 15 times 5. So 75. So 75, 85, 90, 80, 75, 84, 90, right? 90, right? Then you get 6. So 25.6, right, guys?
Well,
Okay, one issue, yeah, go ahead, David.
because it's money.
So you add a 0 to it. Good job. Oh, one big issue now I'm seeing is conversion from fraction to decimal.
Auntie, I did a typo. I got the right digits.
I get it, Saket, but I know why you put that 0 there. You thought here, while converting, there was a problem, right? It's okay. See, but in the exam, if there is a 20.56, you will make a mistake there. So I really see that the conversion from fraction to decimal seem a problem. Neil, how did you get a 24?
What I did was to turn I tried to turn 15 into 100 by doing divided by 3 times 20. So then I did that to 3.84 and I got 24.
What did you do? It is, yeah, both are divisible by 3 as you said. But what did you do?
I did times 20 at the end.
You did times 20. Why times 20? 384 by 15. First of all, you don't have to simplify, I mean, do such a big division. Okay, 3 5s are 15. This is also fine. 3 8s are 24. See, 128 by 5 is the easiest. This is the best way to do the division. Why did you multiply by 20, Neil?
I multiplied by 20 because I try to make 15 into 100. And at the end, after I did divided by 3, I did times 20.
But multiplying by 20 doesn't get you to 100, right?
I
Yeah,
did
you divided by, I understand. But then why can't you divide this by 3? You have to simplify, not make bigger numbers, right? You should always go for smaller numbers. Divided by 3, divided by 3. How did I know that this was divisible by 3? 3 plus 8 plus 4. Add the digits. The sum is divisible by 3. So the number as such is divisible by 3. Can I move on? Okay. Okay, now let's see. I'm a little off, guys, with this. Let's see. Okay, this is a good one actually. So for you, I will understand. These are all on ratio rates only. Ratio rates, proportions. See, this x by 100 equal to part by whole is a proportion. Proportion means two ratios are equal. Ratio is a fraction, right? Is a type of fraction is a type of ratio, I would say. So Alvin is taking a bus to a ski resort. The bus traveled 174 miles in 3 hours. If the bus continued at the same rate, which proportion can be used to predict how many hours it will take to travel 696 miles to a resort? Guys, I really want you to follow the ratio rates. Two quantities as two columns.
Answer correct.
What are the two quantities in here? Miles and hours. So please note down what is given. Make a proportion. I don't know. Okay. I don't have the answer. Only when I work out, I can tell you. I will
Okay.
definitely tell you. So basically, clearly it's given 174 miles in 3 hours. They're asking for 696 miles. This is what you don't know. I'll put it as X. But how will you frame the proportion? You can frame either this by this or this by this. So 174 by 3 will be equal to 696 by X. Or you can put it out as 174 by 696 equal to 3 by X. So these two can exchange places. These two can exchange places. Good job. Whoever answered got it right. So please note that these two can exchange places. These two can exchange places. Because when you look at 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 100, right? You can even say 1 by 50 equal to 2 by 100. Or even you can say 100 by 50 equal to 2 by 1. You can call anything. So that's why I'm saying the butterflies can exchange places, butterfly wings. So David, did you get your answer?
Yes.
How did you get that, David? Saket, how did you get that?
Because so like I placed 174 on like the bottom right, and then placed 696 on the top right, and I placed 3 on the top left.
Oh, wait. Are we doing it right? Good questions coming up. A is correct, huh? 3 by 174. 3 by 174 will be equal to... Oh my God, A is as well correct. Wait. used to predict the number of hours. 1 second, guys. Aha, okay. Yeah, David, good job. But okay, let's go a little bit more. So you placed 174 on the top left and 696 on the top right, correct? That's what you said, right?
The opposite of that, like the
Like
opposite.
Like this you placed, right?
Oh no, 174 goes on the bottom of 196.
Okay, how do you want to place it? Tell me.
Okay, so 696 on the top right.
Mm,
Okay, and beneath it is going to be 174.
okay.
And then on the top left is going to be 3.
No, right? You went from here to here. You went from here to here. 696 was on top. So X has to be on top.
Okay,
Did you understand?
yeah.
X by 3. So what happens here? What happens here? 696, 696 and 174 should be top and bottom. Okay. So here it is likely, but here they are being see, do you see one should be at the top, one should be at the bottom. There is no way for this. So this is definitely wrong. This one may be right, this one may be right. Okay, but then we have to decide based on other factors. What other factors? See, 174, if it goes there, 174 should be divided by 3. That is only correct. Here it is multiplied by 3. Do you see? Meaning 174, the wing, right? I told you, right? 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 100. When you look at it, when you multiply these two, it is the same as you multiply these two. So when you think about it, 174 is never divided by 3 here. Do you see? 3 can go in place of 174. But when you think about the correct one, you see here 174 is multiplied by X. 174, meaning 174, when you look at it, right, 174 can be divided by 3. Okay. If 174 goes here, 174 can be divided by 3. But you can never move this 3 here in this. So this is definitely wrong. Okay. Here when you go up, right, when you take the 174 there, 3 can never come to the denominator. It is also lying down with 174. So this is as well incorrect. Here, do you see 174? Go from the denominator to top. 174 divided by 3. Yes. Then 696 divided by X. 696 divided by H. Yes, that's correct. Did you all get it? So the way you go, top to bottom, left to right, all that is as well important in proportions. Okay, how about this? I think I have to move on, I feel, but let's see one graph problem. Ratio rates is quite an important topic because it's going to repeat in 7th grade as well. And proportions, both will come in 6th and 7th. Try this one. This one I want everybody to get it right. So please make your bestest effort. Tanishka, that C was incorrect. Did you understand, ma? But this is what I don't know. Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
1 second, guys.
Is my answer correct?
I'll check. represented as 3:5. We need to be very careful, okay? X means X, Y means Y. You cannot interchange. Order is important. Whether in mathematics or English, the order in which things are given is important. In mathematics, what you put on X is not the same as Y. You have to maintain order. You have to look at the order. Saket correct. That, Yana, it's incorrect. Charan correct. Neil correct. Akshat. See, this is the meaning I know you understood the concept, but that's not it, right? Small mistakes make a big thing.
Oh, I see it.
Small mistakes make a big ocean. Saket, what was your answer? I didn't see.
Should I put my new answer because I realized what I did wrong?
Yeah, I get it, Ma, but in the exam, nobody is going to say that, right? Yana, did you see your mistake? Neil Akshat. Akshat, you got it right, right?
No, I got it wrong and then I put in my new answer.
Or did you delete it and did you edit it?
Yeah, I edited it.
Please don't edit, Ma.
So
I have to look at Zoom. I have to stop. I have to stop the kids from editing it because I lose track of where you went wrong.
okay.
No problem. Okay.
Auntie,
Correct. Replying helps. Yeah.
Auntie, my answer is G.
Yeah, that's correct. So see here, it's given as cat comes first to dog. So for every 3 cats, there are 5 dogs. For every 3 cats, there are 5 dogs. Cat is here. So for a 3, I have to have a 5. So basically, the coordinate point means first the x-axis, right? 5, comma 3 is a coordinate point. What is 5? 5, comma 3 isn't here at all. 5, comma 3 is in here. So this is the correct graph. Neil, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, actually, I wanted to go to equations, definitely. I don't want to be dealing with this more, but okay. Next week, let me be very, very strict with you. I really want every one of you working out the problems. Okay, we will be reviewing some old assignments as well. Okay, so I want to see everybody doing the homework and submitting it. Okay, let's see this one. These are all confusing problems, but they do make sense.
Probably 2 people. Jesus.
Good job, guys. Anishka, David, that's Akshat. Charan, can I get your answer? Mm.
I sent my answer.
Yes, you were the first one to send. Saket, can I get your answer?
I'm still working on it.
Are you confused?
Kind of.
Okay, I'll help you. Where are you confused?
Like on the proportion part.
Yeah, ma, Seema. Did you get this?
Yeah.
You got this, right? But how to match them is what is confusing you, correct? Okay, can I say that if 3 is on top, 2 should be on top. If 3 is on top, if 3 is on top, okay, 3 is at the bottom, 2 should be at the bottom. So it is possible here, right? It is possible. If 3 is on top, 2 should be on top. This is as well possible. Here as well, I said this can change places, right? So this is possible, but this is never possible. Do you see it? The next thing what you can do, P is at the bottom, 24 is at the bottom. P is on the top, 24 is on the top. So this can exchange places. So this is still possible. P and 24 can be in the bottom. Here, P is on the top. P can be moved to the top and 24 is in the top. Still possible. Here, see, here P can be in the bottom. Oh, still this is possible. Okay. Now, what other ways you can do? Let's say, how about what other ways to say? See, it should be like 2 should be multiplied with P and 24 should be multiplied with 3. Ah, 24 should be multiplied with 3. P should be multiplied by 2. That makes sense. 2 should be, see, here 2 is multiplied with 24, but 2 should be multiplied with P. Do you see it? So this is not the answer. 2 can be multiplied with P. This is not the answer. Do you see? So please take that wing here. See, in a simple ratio, 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 2. See, multiply these two and see the wings. They're equal, right? That's what you're doing here. So here, you're multiplying 2 and P, 3 and 24. Only here it's possible. You got it?
Yeah.
I don't want you to make these mistakes at all. Okay, so you got it. And then, okay. See, this one is a nice one, but I want to see how many of you understand what is given. That is what is a problem I feel. See, what percentage best represents the scale factor means. What is the scale factor? A number that's going to be multiplied. Scale factor represents a number that will be multiplied. With what? With X to result in Y. You know what? You don't need to do this problem at all. You don't need to do this problem at all. It's just very clear. 3 choices won't apply.
Yeah, because like you just have to think for a little bit.
Exactly. You don't need to do the problem at all. See, the thing is, they are really trying to test your basic conceptual understanding. If you multiply any number, let's say, okay, by 5%, 6%, 7%, 9%, 69%, whenever you multiply by a number by a percentage less than 100, the value of the number reduces. This we have learned. Value of the number reduces. It's like multiplying by a proper fraction, right? If you multiply a number by a proper fraction, what happens to the number? It reduces to 2. You see, the value of 4 reduces to 2. If you multiply 100 by 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is 75%. The value reduces to 75. It doesn't increase. But do you see here, this X value increases. So basically, the X, whatever number is multiplied, should be greater than 1. Which of these numbers is greater than 1? 23 by 100 is 0.23. This is 0.368. This is 0.813. This is 1.23. So what should be the answer, David?
J.
J. See, you don't need to do this problem at all. It's just logic sense. This you put it in here, then you will get the bigger number. Kanishka, did you get it?
Yes.
So most of the problems, once you understand the base concept, right, things become so clear. Let's see. I want to give you another problem like that. Let's see if I can. Mm. Okay, how about this? This is a tricky question though. I don't know. I don't know whether you did this homework at all earlier. Do you remember doing this homework earlier, any of you?
Yeah,
You remember that?
I think we did something like this.
See, but this is where I don't understand. Meaning, if you've done homework earlier, I would want you to be able to solve every problem when you come back and redo. See, that puts me into a hard position. I don't know where we are missing. Let's see. Mary purchased 75 yellow balloons and 80 green balloons. Before the party started, 8% of the yellow balloons popped. And 5% of the green balloons popped. Don't need to sit and do the whole problem again here. 8% of yellow balloons means what? 4 out of 50.
That's so correct.
2 out of 25 means. So the answer has to be there itself. The answer is only 2. You ironed out from the 4 to 2. 5% of the green balloons popped. Oh, 500 means 120.
Miss Priya, did I get the right answer?
Yes, David and Sharon, correct. Akshat, I don't know. One of you definitely has gotten it incorrect. I don't know who. Neil, how are you doing?
I, I, I think I see it.
What, Neil? Can you explain to me? One of you?
Is my answer correct?
I don't know whose answer is correct now.
Do you mind if I explain what I did?
No, hold on. I really want everybody to correct by themselves.
Okay.
I don't know who got it, which group got it wrong. Let me see. Let me quickly verify the answer rather than me verifying 24. Because if I do on the Yana, what is your answer, ma?
I'm not sure. I don't get it a little bit.
Saket got it. David and Sharon didn't. Akshat got it. Neil didn't.
Wait, what about me?
Huma, sorry, did I miss you?
That
That sorry that I did not see.
I put F.
That, oh yeah, that, no, that you didn't. Ah, I know what is the mistake you did.
Try explain.
I know, that's very good. The way you have explained it tells me why you went wrong. Good job, that. No, it is incorrect. Still, your answer is incorrect. The explanation you've given me tells me to give you more inputs. Okay, see that. You cannot do it like that. Don't add these two. Because this is a different number, this is a different number. You see? See, honestly, only when you give some explanation, I'll understand. Oh, this kid has not understood this. Good. But did you get why you should not add both the percentages here?
Yeah.
Because your total is going to be different. If you cannot, this is 8% out of 75. This is 5% out of 80. Find that out. That is 10. Now the total number of balloons that popped was 10 out of a total of 155. You need to calculate this. You got it? Tanishka, I'm not getting answers from you.
Auntie,
Yes,
I
Masa.
sent mine already.
Saket, yes. Yes, no worries.
can I explain?
Yes, you can.
So it's really simple. Basically, the only thing you need to do is find out 8% of 75. That's 6. That eliminates G and H. Since they have 4 green balloons popped on both of the answers, you automatically know that's how many green balloons popped. Now you have 10 out of 155. It can't be F because if it is 13%, 10 would go into 155 less than 10 times. So therefore the only remaining option is H.
Good job. Good explanation. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is taking time. Okay, now this one I'm going to reassign to you guys. I really want you to be able to do it without any mistakes. You're really appearing for CB, you should. Let's see. How about this is again on percentages. See, the base fractions, the base decimals and percentages, if you understand, proportions, if you understand, most of your CB is easy. Neil, do it on the board.
Okay, I'm on a Chromebook. I can explain.
Go ahead.
So what I did was, I just simplified it. So 60 divided by 6 and 120 divided by 6 to get 10. And then,
You do x by 100 equal to part by whole.
yeah.
How did you do?
Well, I
Can you
didn't
do that way? You're going to do that way. See, I will wait. I'm okay if you really understand and do. But when you don't do, you have to follow my way. Yana, did you get your answer? Yes, Yana, that's right. Neil, go ahead.
So what I did was,
No, you're going to follow my way. I'm very sorry.
yeah.
Hmm.
So the X is 60
Mm.
and the part is 120.
Mhm.
And
What should
so
you do now?
what I did was 60 and 120 divided by 6, so it's just 1/10. So then I did 10 times 4 because
Wait. What happens to this 120?
the 120 turns into a 20.
Mhm.
And then since it's wait and then I did 10 times 4 because 60 plus 40 is 100%, 100%. So I did
Neil,
that
can you
plus
simplify the fractions? Can you simplify the fractions? You can't have big numbers. Can you simplify that? What is 10 by 100?
1/10, 1/10.
1/10 equal to 20 by W. What did you do here? What did you do here?
I did 1/10 times 4.
Why times 4?
Wait,
Why would you times by 4?
because
1 became a 20 times 20, right? This times 20. You got it? So it will be 200. Okay. You know what? This week you will be filled with hard problems on ratio rates. See, I will never come back to ratio rates, I think. Okay, after this. We did a lot of work, but the problems will be hard. I want you to redo, show every work for every problem. Okay, guys? Okay, if you didn't get it, you have to come back and ask me. I'm going to wait and watch. Can we wait? Can we say?
Okay.
And I want at least one question from each one of you. I didn't understand this question. I didn't understand this question, like that. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. I'll let you go now, but if you have questions, stay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
What do
Yes.
we have homework on?
What is it now?
What do we have homework on?
Ratio rates.
Okay, bye.
I'm going to repeat and assign. Yeah.
for
Yes,
like the classroom, do we have to do like all the homework assignments that are on like the missing? Like on the new one?
no, Yana.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not that mean.
Okay, bye.
Okay. 1 second, guys. I really want to remind the others as well. Can you just hold on because only 2 of you are in here. Just hold on. My phone is not here. I'll just bring it. Krish, please take the topics that you need help with. Put it down on the board. You can use a text box so that we will go over definitely through that.
Okay.
Let's move on. Yeah, go ahead, guys. What did you want?
For one of the things in the logs, I'm confused on how to solve it. I can send a chat
Yes.
or okay, I'll send a
Anywhere
chat.
you can send it. How do you want to
Okay.
send it?
I'll send it in the chat, like the problem.
Absolutely.
And then you had to solve for X.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Did you get it in the chat?
So you didn't know what to do. Do you have the answer for this one?
Yeah, I have the answer. Do you
So
need
this
me
one
to
you
send
will
it?
know. Okay, let's see. What was the answer, Amma?
X equals 2e cubed plus 1 divided by e cubed
X
minus
equal to
1
2e cube
plus 1
plus 1
divided by e cubed minus 1.
e cube minus 1.
Mhm.
That's it. Okay, let's
That's
see.
the answer.
I don't know. Yeah, let's see. So this one you have like this. So I can subtract. No. Is this how they have given you, Ma?
Yeah, that's the answer. That's how they gave it. Yeah.
No. It's not making sense to me that much. Let's see. So
Okay.
let's try it out. So this one can be written as, see, this is a continuation of what we did last week, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically minus ln of x minus 2. What is that property you're using? You're bringing the ln to one side, right? Now there's
Yeah.
a property that you can use. What is that? Siddhi. Yeah. So now the lns can be combined. So if the lns can be combined, that becomes ln of
X plus 1 over x minus 2.
Yep. Equal to 3. Now you can take ln on both sides. That I did not cover. You can take ln on both sides. Like, see, if you have, yeah, take, you don't have to take ln on both sides. Here, what you can do, see, let me show you an example before moving on to this, right? Let me show you an example. Hold on. Okay, how about this? Suppose if you have 3x equal to 9, you have to remove the 3. I'll have to remove the ln here. So what do? You do the opposite. You divide by 3 on both sides. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So instead, ln can't be removed. What is the reverse operation? See, multiplication, then you divide. When division is there, you multiply by 3. So you do the reverse operations. The reverse here is exponent. Exponent and ln are opposite operations. So take exponent on both sides. They will get ln's exponential. See, log's exponential function is 10 power. Ln's exponential function is e power.
Yeah.
Now, when you do that, e and ln will get cancelled, and this will be x plus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, this one would be e cube.
Yeah.
Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Shagvi, am I making sense?
Yeah, but
See,
wait.
here e cube, this is e power. When you take exponent, ln and exponent will get cancelled. So this will just be this. Now here, x plus 1 will be equal to, that's hard. Let's see. X e cube minus 2e cube. This is a number. This is a number. So you will have to bring the x's to one side. X minus x e cube equal to, what can I say? Minus 1 minus 2e cube. Any questions still here?
No.
Now, can I move on?
Yeah.
This is going to be, I'm going to take that off. Hold on. I'm going to take that off. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to rewrite in here, x minus x e cube. You'll have to tell me the answer again. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, now I don't want this negatives here. So what can I do?
Divide by
Divide by
negative.
minus 1 completely. When I divide it, the signs will all change. So I can write it out as x e cube minus x equal to 1 plus 2e cube. Any questions?
No.
Now take the x common, distributive property. Take the x common, this will become e cube minus 1. 1 plus 2e cube. So now divide by e cube minus 1 across. E cube minus 1 across. X will be equal to 1 plus 2e cube by e cube minus 1. Is this the answer? Check.
Yeah, it is.
Correct, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. That's it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Shagvi, did you understand this?
Yeah.
You want me to give you a challenge problem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can give you. Go ahead with more questions that you have. Go ahead with more questions that you have. I don't want to waste the time. I'm going to go over something. But first ask
Yeah.
your questions so that you're not stuck with something.
Uh-huh. Let me find it 1 sec. Give me 1 second.
Shagvi, do you have any questions, ma?
Yeah, let me look.
Bring. I would love to know. I'm going to bring though, but wait, guys. You have to give me a minute because suddenly coming up with harder questions is hard. Hold on, I have it though. You want logarithmic functions, right? That's the last part. So, oh, I don't have them. That's not good. Oh, linear quadratic exponential models I've taught you, but log functions. That's sad. This is algebra. Oh my gosh. This is algebra 2, right? Logarithmic equation. Okay. This
Can
one.
I send a word problem?
Yeah, please come.
Okay. I sent it in chat. It should be sending.
See logarithmic equations. Give me a minute. 2.2, 2a point. Yeah. 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D, 5E. Yeah, everything we can do. All are in logs. I'll give you a challenge assignment as well. Which one?
I sent it in the chat.
Yes, we can do that. Come on. You have the answers with you for that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay. This is again on logarithms. I will solve all this and then we'll go to the next one. Okay. How about this? I can share this directly, I feel, guys. Let's see. You're seeing my board? Are you all able
Yeah.
to read the problem?
Yeah.
Siddhi, are you able to read the problem? Okay. Now I really want you guys to try. I will also help you. Earthquake is measured. You have the answer, Krish?
Yeah.
Okay. The formula for the Richter scale of a quake is given by R equal to log L by L0. L0 is the threshold quake. And the intensity, oh, this is I, yeah. Okay. I is given in terms of multiples of threshold intensity. Okay, you have a seismograph set up at home and see that there was an event while you were out and had an intensity I. So 989 IO. Given that a heavy truck rambling by caused a micro quake with a Richter scale. Richter scale of 4 or more. What is the likely event that you were out? Okay. What is the answer for this one?
It's asking like which one it would most likely occur, and the answer is like a heavy truck.
Given that a heavy truck rumbling by can cause a micro quake with Richter scale and a moderate quake, okay, what was the likely event that occurred? So you have to find the Richter scale value, right?
Yeah, I think it was like 2.99 or something.
Okay, wait, let's see. So, wait. Can you use the calculator for this?
Yeah.
Oh, you can use, then it's easy, yeah. So basically, how will you solve this question? Here, look at it. You see, they're saying Richter scale of 3 or 3.5 means it's a moderate quake. That's what is given in the problem.
Yeah.
And Richter scale of greater than or equal to 4 means it is a moderate. And okay, this is a micro quake. They're asking, you went out, okay, at home, you're reading red 981 IO, okay. If you substitute that into the formula, you get R equal to log of 989 IO by IO, that's all. This gets cancelled. R will be equal to log of 989. Put it in the calculator, answer is 2.99. So it's much lesser than a microquake. Got it?
Okay. Yeah. I think it was just confusing to read.
But did you understand now?
Yeah, I understand it now.
Log means it can be converted to 10 power of something. Remember always. Okay, ln means it has to be converted to e power of something.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I go ahead with my questions?
Yeah.
No, first you ask all your questions for the test.
Those were like the two main ones I had.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, because most of them are like simple ones that I like solved on my own.
Oh, you were able to do?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but you know what? I have a ton of questions with me which I prepared. Let's see. I just want logarithmic questions. So, okay, how about this? Who's going to answer this for me? It's the entire log, right? So I will always review what we did last week and then move on to the next one. Come. Go ahead, guys. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. See. Yes, let me move on. You're all good with the transformations already, I feel. So let's see. But I want to do one. Wait, guys, give me a minute. This is a good one. Okay, guys. This one. You're going to send me the equation. Siddhi, are you solving or not, Siddhi? Siddhi? Oh, yeah. Yes. Sorry, ma'am. I got it. How about this?
Wait, can we use a calculator?
I don't think you need to find the answer, but just send me the equation. What equation could be used to determine?
Okay.
I just want the equation. You see what I mean, huh? It's just plugging in, right? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a hard one, just what you asked in class right now, right when we started. So these are questions in logarithmic expansion compression. Krish, I feel something is not correct there. Where is 6.3, Krish?
It says
6.3 should be substituted, right? Siddhi, I'll help you. Yes. 6.3 is substituted. Ayyo. That seems wrong. Krish. Let me see.
oh wait, isn't it?
I'll please do it on the bottom. Shagvi, did you do ma?
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
Oh, okay. So the magnitude M of earthquake is measured in Richter scale. Scale uses a base 10 logarithmic scale. Then that means log. Okay. That
Yeah.
compares the intensity of earthquake. I is the intensity. S is to the intensity of standard quake. Okay. Which equation can be used to determine the intensity of 6.3 magnitude means M is equal to log of 6.3 by S. You got it?
Isn't it? Wait. Determine.
Oh, wait.
Isn't M
I
6.3?
think I made a mistake. What? Go ahead, Krish.
Isn't M 6.3?
Good job. I like it. Sorry.
Because it's asking to determine
Compares the
intensity.
to the intensity, the magnitude. No, Krish.
Because at the beginning it says the magnitude is M.
Intensity of earthquake I 6.3 intensity of 6.3 magnitude. Wait. Compare the intensity of earthquake I to the intensity. Which equation could be used to determine the intensity? You're going to determine the intensity. 6.3 is magnitude. You are right. I take it.
Okay.
Okay. Now if you do this right, but what is this? I can't have it like this, right?
Yeah.
I need to have, I want to write the equation for intensity means I should have I equal to or log I equal to something of that sort. But I can't have S in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
What will I do? Can I take exponent on both sides? Meaning
Yeah.
take exponent on both sides. So take, what is the exponent I'll get?
10.
Yeah, 10 power of 6.3 will be equal to I by S, right?
Uh-huh.
So I will be equal to S times log S times 10 power of 6.3. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
I just want to be sure. Wait. Okay. If they give you express in terms of log itself, I can expand this like this. 6.3 equal to log I minus log S. Does that make sense? Log I will be equal to 6.3 plus log S. That is also an answer. This or this. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now let me go ahead with another harder problem. Shagvi and Siddhi, did you get that?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, now let's go ahead and try. I said I'll give you a hard problem, right? Okay.
Mhm.
Solve for x. Mm. Solve for x. Exactly similar to what we did. Can I do on the board or you guys are doing, guys?
I- I got lost after a while.
You got lost.
Yeah.
Where are you getting lost? Each of you can say the place where you're getting lost. Where are you getting lost? Can I show you?
I got until like,
Why don't you say, Krish? Go ahead.
yeah, so I did the exponent thing, so it became e to the power of 3
Good.
equals the x squared thing, that entire thing.
Are we supposed to? Oh, my bad.
And then what I did was I multiplied by x squared minus 25 on both
Actually, I
sides.
should not have given you solve for x. Okay, I should not have given you solve for x. Let me reframe this.
Miss Priya, are we supposed to factor the
LMR,
two?
that's what. No. The expectation for you guys is not to factor. How about this? Just solve this. Just solve this and tell me the answer. That is enough. I should not have given you solve for x. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Guys, wait. I want to go back. Wait. We want to discuss this. This is not that difficult a problem at all. I thought it was so hard and hard to factorize. Wait. I'm going to rewrite this. When you think about this, guys, see, fractions need to be simplified. Everybody did it the first step correctly. Very nice. I'm happy. But I'm a little lost, guys. Is this not simplifiable? Don't you see this simplifiable? It's very much simplifiable, guys. Take x common out. This, like this, they will give problem. This is just based out of what we studied 2-3 years back. Then what is this? Algebra comes into picture, right? A square minus b square. What it should be written as? X plus 5, x minus 4.
Oh, yeah.
So what happens? Correct?
Yeah.
So what? X by x plus 5 equal to e power 3, correct?
Yeah.
X will be equal to x e power 3 plus 5 e power 3. Subtract x e power 3 on both sides. X minus x e power 3 equal to 5 e power 3. Now take x as common. 1 minus e power 3 equal to 5 e power 3. X will be equal to 5 e power 3 by 1 minus. Got it?
Yeah.
It's very similar to what we did. Maybe I'll post this homework for this week. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Clear, huh, Siddhi?
Yeah.
Amma, always think about distributive properties, such a treasure for mathematics. This is reverse of distributive. Here, x square, 5x. You're taking x as common and cancelling. And this is application of algebra. Remember, a square minus b square property, a plus b, a minus b. Remember this?
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, I really want you to try this one. You can use your calculator. Okay. Do this one quick.
Do I have to put it into like actual value, or do I give you it in terms of E?
X actual value.
Okay.
It's not hard.
I sent my answer.
Mhm. They'll wait for you, Sydney, but I just want to see where we are. Yeah, guys, you guys got it. You know what? I'm going to give you the equation. I'm going to ask you to find out. Okay, let's see this one. Now, please answer, Siddhi. X is a number. Don't make me calculate. Answer that is a number, Siddhi. Other two, you go ahead and do. Shagvi and Krish, go ahead and do the problem.
Okay.
Krish, do you have any other questions for your upcoming test?
No.
Miss Priya,
You're good?
how do I advance? How do I like complete the steps?
You can put it into the calculator, ma.
Oh, okay.
I really want to do 1 or 2 word problems from the book. Yeah, I would like to do 1 or 2 problems, word problems from the book. This is a very small unit though. Yeah, it's a very small unit.
I said my answer for the second one.
Oh, the I by IU, several problems are there. Okay, good to know. I want to do some compression expansion problems. But again, you will see all this in pre-calc. Did you get the answer? If you don't know, then I'll intervene and solve. Siddhi, did you get the answer? Siddhi, you got the answer, Siddhi?
Yeah.
Okay. What was answer, ma'am? Correct. B is correct. Siddhi, answer is correct. Good job. So I'm going to move on. Let you do the next problem, Siddhi, okay? Let me give you some harder ones. Okay, I'm not going to do exponents. We are just going to do logarithmic word problems. Let's see. That's a good one. Which one is correct here? This is converting exponential to log. Whenever you get log of a negative number, solution is undefined. But we did not do any problem on erroneous solution, extraneous solutions, right? I want to do that. Yeah, I want to do some extraneous solution problem. Let's see, from the book word problems I want to do. Yeah, this one, yes. I didn't do these kind of problems yet. But you know what, I want some extraneous solution problems. Okay, we will solve log equations, guys, but I'll give you this. We want to do extraneous solution problems. Let's see. Krish, I want to do it on the board and see. Krish, I don't know. That's right, Krish. You don't have to wait, Krish. You can go with the next problem.
Okay.
Do you know how to solve log equations?
I
Shagvi, something feels wrong, ma. I'm going to do it with you. Krish, you don't have to wait for anybody. You can keep going.
Okay.
Original equation rewritten it as its corresponding logarithmic equation. Siddhi, Shragvi, if either of you did not get the previous one, I'm going to work that out.
Okay.
So this is p power of 4 plus 2 is 6, power of 1 by 3 plus 5 equal to 13. So p square plus 5 equal to 13. Now, what do I do? So p square equal to 8. So I have to change it to log. How do I change it to log? This is an exponential function, right? This is the base. This is base, right? This is the base. Log base p. Exponent is what you are going to equate. 8. Does that make sense? So it is h. Make sense, Siddhi?
Yeah.
Shagvi, you?
Yeah, I get it.
No. Coming to the next one. Did you check? Krish, did you check?
I didn't check like back into the equation.
That is required in log. They will give you
Yeah.
a problem where it is not making sense. Problem here is, guys, see, it's 2 power of 2x minus 3 minus 25 equal to 71 plus, I'm going to solve for x, right? Plus 25, see, 3 times 2 power of 2x minus 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 2 power of 2x minus 3. Now, how do you solve this? You can take log exponents, I'll change it to log. Or I can do this 2 power of 2x minus 3 equal to 2 power of 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 5. So 2x minus 3 equal to 4. 2x equal. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get this? Okay.
Yeah.
The other way of solving this is, this was a log equation. I changed it to exponents. I didn't mean to, but let me solve it as logs and show you. You can solve any way, okay? It's all correct though. If I want to take logs, right? Now log base 2 32 will be equal to 2x minus 3. Make sense? Now you can put this in the calculator. Plus 3 divided by 2 is your answer for x. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
You can do any way, okay? All are easy. Can I move on? Siddhi, can I move on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I want to do these easy problems. Hold on. I want to do some hard problems from the book for yeah. So see here, guys, this is what I want to do. This one. How about this? Log base 5 power of x plus 1 plus log base 4 256 squared. Can you find out? Write the expression as a single logarithm. It is there still. Write the expression as a single logarithm. It's a single logarithm. Can we do that? It's like expanding. Use all the properties. Can I do that? Can I do that, or you want to do that? Can I do that, or you want to do that now?
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, I think I can do. So see here, there's a power, right? Put it to the back seat. That's what I do. X plus 1. I told you, right? When the base and this is the same, this will become 1. Make sense? Then log base 4, 256 can be written as 2 power of 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 32, 64, 128, 2 power of 8. Make sense? The whole square. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, I told you guys this. Can I make this and this the same? I still can. How to make it the same? This will be x plus 1 plus log base 4. Can this be written as, I want to have 2 square, okay? Whole power of 4, whole power of 2. Can I do that?
Yeah.
I just split that 8 into 4 and 2. So this is 4 means I can multiply these two, right? Log 4, 4 power 8. 8 can be taken to the back seat. So x plus 1 plus 8. X plus 9. Make sense?
Yeah.
When you think about it, it's pretty easy, but it takes some time for you to observe how to do this. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Shagvi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Siddhi, did you get it? I'm going to do the next one, please, okay? Log, these are difficult ones. X plus 1. Usually, I do easy problems first, then give you some harder problems in class. But since the tests are nearing and all, I'm doing the harder problems in the board. X squared plus 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Who wants to do with me? So the base is x plus 1 means unless I bring this as x plus 1, I'm not going to be able to solve this problem. So what do I do?
Expand. Factor it.
Yeah, how to factor? What will be the
X plus 1 and x plus 1 squared.
Yep, that makes it all so easy. You see, this is x plus 1 the whole square, then the power is there, right? So now these two will multiply, product property, right? X plus 1 the whole power of 6, put it to the back seat. 6 log x plus 1. When the base and the number are the same, everything becomes 1. Answer is 6. Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Mm-hmm.
This one I really want you to do. Okay, this is a word problem. Okay. I want you to tell me the answer, okay? Richter scale is used to measure earthquake, right? Okay. Here, there is a function given. Logarithmic function given 10 power of 11.8. E is the energy released in ergs. Energy released in ergs. M is the magnitude. Okay. Now, recently, a magnitude was registered as magnitude of an earthquake. If a quake was 9.2. Find the energy released. You're going to find the answer. Change of pace I want to do. One problem. Yeah, we'll do one problem with change of base.
Okay.
You might do the logarithmic problems in the homework and go for the test, okay? Meaning, just the log. It's a combination of exponents and logs I'm giving. But just do the logarithmic problems and then go. Extraneous solutions, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Extraneous solution, change of base, and then
I sent my answer.
you got your answer. Wait, let me then check. Extraneous solution, change of base, both two parts. I don't know the answer. Number of 25.6. Something is wrong, Krish. Something, what is that, Krish? 6 power of 25.6 is what you've given? You're muted. You're muted and talking.
Oh, 10 to the power of 25.6.
That's not the answer. Oh, wait. Maybe this is. Yeah, it's 11.8 only. Can I see what is the problem? 9 point. Yeah, I gave it right. Can I check? Something feels wrong. Shragvi, did you get?
Yeah, I'm still doing
Did you do it like this?
Yeah. And then I multiplied 3 over 2 on both
Correct.
sides.
9 point. Correct. And after that, what did you do?
Then I did the like exponent 10 thing.
Correct.
So
Yes,
yeah.
10 power of. So raise both the sides to exponent.
Yeah.
Means 9 3s are 27.6 by 2, correct?
Yeah. Third.
Equal
Yeah.
to correct. E by 10 power of 11.8, correct?
Yeah. Then I multiplied 10 to the power of 11.8 on both sides.
1 second. What are we doing? Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh, yeah. No. This is correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that seems correct. I feel something is not right somewhere. That is correct. And then something doesn't feel right though. Okay. So now what did you do? 10 power of 1, 3s are 6, 8's time. Did you do this?
Yeah.
E will be equal to 10 power of 25.6, huh? Did you have it that way?
Yeah. That was my answer.
Think about it. I think it's 11.8. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go ahead with that. Okay, one notation, one careful pointer that I want to tell you. When in the exam they give it to you like this, see the dot is on the line. This is different from this, guys. This represents multiplication. Got it? This is a decimal point. Remember that. Okay. Now let's move on. I want some extraneous solution problems. Hold on. Give me a minute, okay? Yep. Some questions with extraneous solutions. It's a good one. Let's see. How about log? Good one. Okay. How about this? Log base 6 of x plus 4. Log, change of bases we didn't do. Log base 6 of x plus 4 equal to 1 minus log base 6 equal to 1 minus log base 6 of x plus 3. Of x plus 3. How do you solve this? I'm going to wait and watch. I'm going to wait and watch. You can bring the log base 6 together. Then condense it. Condense it in the sense Basically, you can multiply them because it's going to be added, right?
Yeah.
Fine. No, the wrong solution. See, the base can't be -1 and all. You got it down. Let's.
Do we send the answer for X or just
Yeah.
simplify? Okay.
I just want the answer for X. Always when it is a composite number, raise it to the power and try. You will get it. Log of a negative number, you can never have it. They're not valid solutions. Log of a negative number, if you get, then it is an extraneous solution, just like square roots. Those are extraneous solutions. If you get a log of a negative number. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
I can do it on the board, but I want you to try. Here, add log base 6x plus 3 to both sides. What did you guys get? Shagli, is that what is answer? Here, you know what? I can really do this one rather than solving it like this. How about I can put it into a nice equation rather than x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 1. Now x square plus 7x plus 12 will be equal to 6 power of 1 is 6. 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So x has to be what? 6 and 1 satisfies, right? Yeah, 6 and 1 satisfies, right? Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
No.
6.
No. Plus 7x.
Isn't it?
Well, go ahead,
8?
go ahead, go ahead.
Isn't it wait, -1 and
Yes, it is -1, right? Because x plus 6. You are right. Hold on. I will solve it. I should not skip steps. X squared plus 6x plus x plus 6 equal to 0. X times x plus 6, right? Right?
yeah.
Plus 1 times equal to 0. So x is a -6, -1, now. Does it make sense? Yep,
Yeah.
-6, -1. But here, any logarithmic equation, please do the check. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Log base 6 minus 6 plus 4 equal to, let me see what I have. 1 minus log base 6 minus 3.
It doesn't work.
What happens? Log base 6 of, you're getting negative answers, right?
Yeah.
So see, log of a negative value you're getting, this is what I said. If you get a log of a negative value, then it's invalid because of the negative logarithmic. Log of a negative value is never valid. Here as well, you're getting a log of a negative value. So minus 6 is not a solution. Let me try minus 1. Minus 6 is not a solution. Minus 1 I'm going to try. When I try that, log base 6, 4 minus 1 is 3 equal to 1 minus log base 6. I said minus 1, right? 2. Yeah, that seems correct, but I don't know whether I'll get the answer. So log base 6, 3 times 2 is 6 equal to 1. Correct. 1 is equal to 1. So this is a verified solution. You got it?
Yeah.
So for any logarithmic equation, you will have to check back and make sure to strike out what is not valid. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, the last one. I really want to do base change one. Told you, right? 1 second, guys. The good one. How about this? Okay. You are going to tell me what is the error about this, okay? I'm given this. I'm given this, okay? I'll tell you how I do. Tell me where I made the mistake.
You can't multiply them
Yep, why?
because the bases aren't the same.
So what do we do? How to solve this? Good. So here, since the bases are different, I can never multiply. Good job. So the first step itself is incorrect. So how do I solve this? Here they are different bases, right? Such a difficult thing. So what do? I have to bring them to the same base first of all. So what do I do?
You can make log 2, make the first thing log 2 to the power of
Oh yeah, that's a good
3.
idea.
Yeah. And then log 3 to the power of
See,
3.
when it is a composite number, it's best to put it in a power. Good job.
And then
Now,
bring the
put it to
3.
the back seat.
Yeah.
3 times 1 plus 3 times 1, which is approximately equal to 6. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what else? What else? Any other questions you have, guys? Do you have
No.
any other questions from your end?
Not for me.
Hmm?
Not from me.
How about you're good now, Krish?
Yeah.
You were very worried about the test, right?
Yeah.
I know. Now you're feeling comfortable?
Yeah.
Good. But I'll also post a homework. Shall we do one more problem and I'll let you go?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll do one more problem and let you go, okay? I know, okay, don't worry, it's 9:35 for me. So you guys, it's only 8:30, okay? So let's do, okay? Because I really want to be sure you got it. Okay, here, how about this? E power of 2x minus 1 by 3 equal to 250. Can you solve this for me? Using logarithmic equations. So when you convert this, what will be the logarithmic function you'll convert it to?
Log E 250 or ln 250.
Yep, ln. Good job.
Yeah.
Just say the answer. If you get it, then great.
Do we use a calculator? What's the ln 250?
1 second, I need to know. Hold on, I don't know. It was from your book I gave you. Yeah, you can use the calculator. Yes.
Okay.
Because the answer is so weird, right? You can.
Yeah. I sent my answer in chat.
Krish, I don't know how your confidence improves with this. Shagvi has a different answer. You have a different answer. Siddhi has a different answer. Oh my gosh, it breaks my heart to see 3 different answers. I don't know, guys. I'll check. Krish, that's correct. You can log off if you want to.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss
Bye.
Priya.
All the best. Okay.
Bye, thank you.
Bye. Okay, now tell me, Shragvi and Siddhi, shall I help or you want to try?
Can I try?
But
Can
you
you
got
solve
the
it?
answers. I'm not. What,
Can
ma?
you solve it on the board?
Yeah, I can. But see, I don't think you understood the concept is what I would say from the answer you have given. But somewhere something went wrong. Let's see. See, now if I take ln on both sides, right? What would happen? Ln and e will get cancelled. This will become like this. Ln 250. Now 3 times ln 250 will be equal to 2x minus 1. 2x equal to 3 times ln 250 plus 1. X will be equal to 3 ln 250 plus 1 by 2. Am I getting this right? But
Yeah,
wait, I
I
don't know
get
whether.
it.
Yeah, but I don't. Did you check it? 3 ln 250 plus 1 by 2. 3 ln. Oh, sorry. What was the answer? 3 ln 250 plus 1 by 2. 3 ln 3 ln 250. What was that, ma? Plus 1 by 2, no? Okay. 1 second, guys. Plus 1 by 2. By 2 is 17.564 by 2. 7, correct, ma. I think it's correct. 17.564 by 2. By 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 8s are 16, 2. 8.78, correct. 8.782 is correct. You got it?
Yeah, I just typed something wrong in my calculator.
Oh, okay. See, that's what I felt. Both of you looked like you made a mistake in the computation. Okay, guys, I'll leave you here, but please check for extraneous solution for logarithmic equations.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you all
Bye.
next week. Bye.